Tired of tangled cables and messy network setups? Imagine a clean, organized rack where every connection is clearly numbered and easy to manage. This 24-port Keystone patch panel fits perfectly into a standard 19-inch equipment rack, giving you a professional, streamlined solution for your network or audio-video connections. I recently upgraded my home lab with this panel, and the difference was immediate. Measuring just 1 U tall, 1.75 inches, it fits neatly into my rack without taking up extra space. The black painted steel construction feels solid and durable, built to last through years of use. What really stood out was how tight and secure the Keystone jacks fit. They won't budge once installed. I actually had to use a crimped RJ45 cable for leverage to snap them in place, so I know this setup is here to stay. It cleaned up my garage workspace, turning a chaotic mess into a neat, professional-looking network hub. Each port is individually numbered, which makes troubleshooting and cable management a breeze. Whether you're running network, audio, or video lines, this panel handles it all with ease. It's a flexible solution that lets you build a custom patch panel tailored exactly to your needs. While moving servers around required a bit of effort, the overall installation was straightforward and well worth the effort. If you're looking to upgrade your network setup or build a portable lab, this Keystone patch panel is worth a look. It offers durability, clarity, and a clean design that transforms your space instantly. Try it when you're ready to organize your cables and boost your setup's professionalism.